Hello guys, today I show you how to make this shape behind the main object. See here, we don't need this. How to do so? To do so, you have to create another circle, another shape, create another shape, and make this shape behind the shape. See, this is the shape that I just created. Yellow. See, this is the shape. It's circle, ellipse tool. Yeah. So after you create the shape, you make it behind all these four. It can be white, rectangle, 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 the four. So these are the rectangle four. So move it under the four rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then click on this, save, select all, yeah. Or you can select one. See, oh, see like this. And after you select the four, right click, select on, create clipping mask. Oh, why? I'm sorry. Oh, I forget to close this. Yeah. Okay, that's all. You see, all of this shape is behind this shape. So our logo is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.